In today's video, we're gonna be breaking down market analysis. So as you can see here on the chart, we have AUD USD. So we're gonna do some analysis. Then we wanna see what we're expecting from AUD USD. So for this who doesn't know, my name is FX Juba Snipe. I help you learn a lot of things in a forex market. I teach you how to trade for free. And for this who already in my free Telegram group, you already know that I always share with you guys this kind of setups. When I'm about to take the setup, I always first share the setup in a free Telegram group just to show them what I'm about to take. So if you're interested in my free Telegram group, you can join. The link is on description below. So as you can see here, guys, we have AUD USD on the chart. Let's do some analysis and see what we're expecting on AUD USD. So as you can see here, AUD USD, first thing first, remember guys, as I said to you guys, before you do anything on the market, before you do any analysis on the market, before you do anything, you need to understand what is a direction of the market. I'm so sorry guys for this. I was just playing around with the market. So you have to understand what is the direction of the market. For this who doesn't know, as a beginner, beginners who doesn't know, the market is always, we have two ways of making money in a market. Either it might be downtrend, or it might be an up. Let me show you. Or it might be an uptrend. So this is how the uptrend moves like. The uptrend market moves like this. So you need to understand, before you do any analysis in the market, you need to take a look. Is the market that I'm about to analyze on uptrend, or is the market that I'm about to analyze on downtrend? So you need to understand one of these. So right now, let's take a look. As long as we on the market today, you're going to learn everything behind on how I analyze the market. How I do. I hide nothing from you guys. So as we can see here, we have a AUD USD for the second time. We can see that the market is being at this point here. It's been at this point here. The market has been at this point here, and then after this point here, we can see that we had we had an uptrend up to this point, and then we had pullback. Since this pullback right here didn't break this one right here to become like this way, then we already know that since the pullback was end here and continue this way, we already know that the market is on uptrend. So let me show what I mean by that. So now what we're expecting is we will be waiting to see that the market is gonna break this one right here. This is on, and if the market didn't break this zone, then we already know that it's time to go for a buy. So let me show you what I mean by that. You can see after this point, this area, we had some zone around this area right here. Let me show what I mean. We had some zone around this area right here. This is the zone that we had. The market came back to the zone, and gave us the pullback as well to the zone. After that, we got continuation on uptrend. After that, we got this movement, and the market went to this point, and the market went to this point, and currently the market is at this point. So right now, let's analyze the market. Then we would understand what's going on in the market. What are we expecting to do in the market? You know what I say? So straight up, since I see that the market, it's been moving this way, I'm gonna use my trend line strategy, and the trend line strategy is gonna explain everything to me. You know what I say? I'm gonna wipe everything from the chart, since I'm about to use the trend line strategy. So I'm gonna try to connect my what I see. I'm gonna connect this one, and I'm gonna connect this one, and I'm gonna connect this one, because you can see that this is the rejections one which we had in the market. So let's clear everything as well, so that we can be able to connect everything. Guys, remember, I'm doing all this for you guys. This is a free mentorship, as I always say, for you to learn. Once you keep on watching my videos, say up to the end, this is how you're going to learn everything without no struggle. So we're gonna connect what we have here. We're gonna connect what we have here. All right, we can see that the market has been moving this way. If I say, yeah, this is how the market has been moving. You feel me? So you can see that on the trend line, we had this pullback to the trend line, and we had this one to the trend line, and around this point you can see that the market did block the trend line right here, and we got a pullback as well to the trend line. And after that we got this double bottom right here, because this is the double bottom, because I'll show you the reason why. Because right now I cannot show you this, you won't understand it, because we're still on a high time frame. So what are we expecting? All right, since we got pullback and breakout around this area, we got a breakout around this area here, breakout, pullback to the zone, and we got a double bottom right here. So let's take a look what we're expecting on a lower time frame. So guys, this is how I look on the market, on my own. This is how I look on the market on my own, and this is what makes me win in a market. So I have to respect this, because this is my strategy that makes me win in the market. So as you can see, I've been on the 4-hour time frame. I got this from 4-hour time frame. So right now I just gonna switch on 1-hour time frame in order to take a look what is happening. This is how I do it. I don't care about the resistance, because resistance in this case, resistance, it mean nothing, because I'm not focusing on the resistance by now, because the market is under the support and resistance. So right now I don't care about the resistance. I don't care about the resistance. Now all I'm focusing on is this. This is what I'm focusing on. I'm focusing on support, because now the support is already get broken. So I'm gonna switch on a low time frame, like 1-hour time frame. I wanna see what's happening over here. You feel what I'm saying? I wanna see what's happening over here. All right, what's happening over here? So right now we can see that we had another trend line right here. We had another trend line right here. You feel what I'm saying? We have another trend line right here. All right, so since we have this trend line right here, now we gonna we also got some zone around this area. We got some zone around this area. I don't know if you all can see that. We got some zone around this area. So by now this is what we have on 1-hour time frame. All right, we have this is this trend line right here, which shows that the market is on downtrend. Say so, which means the market remember on 4-hour time frame we saw that the market was on uptrend. Say, but 1-hour time frame the market says that the market is on downtrend. Of course, the market is on downtrend because the market has changed the direction already by because remember that we had the breakout around this area. Say, so now we're focusing on downtrend. Say, by the way, I've been expecting the market to hit around this zone here. Say, around this zone here, and and market to drop down. Say, but right now what I see seems like what I see right now seems like the market is kind of it's trying to come over here to give us some 30 touch over here to the trend line, give us some 30 touch, then we're gonna have some drop. Say, and as you can see here, we had also a double bottom right here, which is this one. We had also some double bottom. So the double bottom that we have around this area, this is the cost, this is the reason why the market is going to hit over here. Say, this is the reason why the market is going to hit over here. So right now this is what we're expecting. Say, we're expecting something like this to happen. Say, so I just gonna remove this one. I'll be waiting for the market to break out like around this area to break this one. After the market break this one, then I just gonna remove this one. Say, I just gonna remove this one just this way. Say, so that I can have a clear picture. And this one I'm gonna remove it as well. It's no longer makes sense to me, if you know what I'm saying, because now you can see that the market has changed the direction. So right now I just gonna be focusing on say, I just gonna be focusing on this. Say, this is what I'm gonna be focusing on. Say, drop this way, this way, this way, and this way, and this way. You feel me? So this is what I'm going to be focusing on by now. Say, so as soon as the market hit this area right here, this is where I will start to pay attention on this market and be like, I'll be expecting some rejection around this area and some pullback. Say something like this. Let me show you what I mean by that. I'll be expecting something like this. Let me show you. I'll be expecting something like this. Touch the 30 touch, pull back to this area, or maybe a little bit, and pull back and continuation. Say, on downtrend. So this is what we're expecting from AUD USD. Say, all this. Let me switch for our time frame. You see, all this is no longer working by now. Like, to me, this is no longer working. So right now, this is what I'm expecting. Feel me? This is what I'm expecting by now. You feel what I'm saying? Unless if the market is gonna decide to break out from here, then we're gonna have this area pull back, and we continue this way. You feel me? But we need to be patient anyways. We need to be patient. You feel me? We need to be patient. You feel me? We need to be patient and see what is about to happen. But the analysis, guys, this is the analysis from a USD. So let's be patient. You know, I said let's be patient. Let's be patient. It's only some few pips that is left before we get like understand what is about to happen. We need to see the market around this area. It's something about 15 pips. After the 15 pips, the market will be around this around the support. You know, say the support that shows us that the market is on downtrend. You know, say we're gonna be waiting for the 15 pips to hit. I mean to move, like the market to move on like a 15 pips. Let me show you on 15 minute time frame. So we'll be waiting for the market to hit this area right here, and after the market hit this area right here, then we will start paying attention of selling opportunity. You know what I say? So let me know, guys, what you think about this this market. Then, you know, maybe we might be thinking the same thing. You know what I'm saying? Just leave the comment below. Let me know, like, yo, Juba, this is what I'm thinking about this market. You know, I say this is what I'm thinking about this market. Then we can take it from there. But for me, this is how I do it, and this is what I expecting from AUD USD. You feel me? So if you are not in a free Telegram group, make sure you join, because this one right here, once it's gonna be ready to be taken, I'm sure before I take it, I will send it in free Telegram group just to show you guys how it goes. You feel what I'm saying? So do the right things, you know, make sure you like the video and subscribe. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.